Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing something a little different. We're going to be doing a Get Creative with Me episode. This is going to be the first episode and I thought we could start with a simple one, Procreate. Now I'm not sure if you're familiar with Procreate, but it's a really cool app. You do have to pay for it, but I've been playing around with it for about a year and I kind of fell out of doing stuff, so this is me kind of getting back into my creative space digitally. I've been doing stuff outside of the digital world and I thought I'd show you guys just how I do some simple drawings that I got from Pinterest. They are very beginner friendly and this is basically a step-by-step guide on how to do it if you want to do little stuff and then get familiar with the app before you dive into some of the more complicated stuff. Then this is for you, so stay tuned.
Baby, sewing face, period.
Okay, so a quick hack for you if you are copying from an image the way that I am. Once you add the image from your gallery, you can then long press over the area that you want to get the color from, and then it will pop up like that, and then it will be added to your palette, as you can see in the top right hand corner. And then you can go ahead and choose which brush or pencil you want to use and get into your sketch. So what I'm doing, I'm just doing a rough sketch of the image first, and then I'll go in and tidy up everything afterwards. Okay, so what I'm doing now, I'm adding a new layer and I'm going to go over it with a technical pen. Main reason being is that obviously I'm tidying it up and I don't want to erase what I've already done because I'm basically using it as a blueprint. So I'm just adding this new layer, so it's a fresh layer. If I make any mistakes, I can easily adjust them without having to erase the blueprint that's underneath. And yeah. A thing I also forgot to mention is that when it comes to adding color, if you're adding block color, you can do that all in one go. So same with the palette on the top right, as you can see that circle. All you need to do, if you're using a pen or your finger, you literally just hold on to that, press onto the top right, and then you just drag and drop the color into the space that you want to add the color to, but make sure that all your lines connect. So that's the only way it will work. If all your lines don't connect, then it will look weird. So just make sure that if you're doing block colors, that it's in an enclosed area. So if it's a circle, make sure it's a complete circle and stuff like that. So now that I'm done, I do the background, delete the blueprint layer, and that's the finished product. Now we're on to the next one. This one was actually harder than I thought. Like, this one took me so long. The first two were quick and easy. I don't know, maybe it was because I was trying to do a full body. And as you guys will go on to see, I hate doing hands and feet, so I just left those out. But yeah, this one took the longest and I had to trim this down so much. But this is the third and final one. And it follows the same process as all the others. Do my blueprint sketch, then I go over the top with the mechanical pen, then do as much block coloring as I can to make my life easier. And then once I'm done, do the background, delete the blueprint sketch, and yeah, and then I'll put the comparison at the end. But this one took forever, honey.